I bought a set of pocket hole without brand. Measure pocket hole using vernier caliper. Give paper tape on the pocket hole to add mark. Then drill the mark using drill bit 5 mm. Clamp the pocket hole for easy to make groove using hand tap M6. I put scrap HMR. Measure and mark HMR. Then, I use straight bit 6 mm to make slot. Cut HMR before using miter saw. Check the slot with the pocket hole, and make sure the slot is equal with the hole. Measure and mark HMR, then cut using miter saw. Assemble all parts using glue, and clamp it. After the glue dry, sander the edge. Place the pocket hole and make sure it moves smoothly. Cut HMR with width 70 mm. Measure and mark, and cut 2 pieces using miter saw. Put paper tape and collect the HMR cut as one. Mark HMR and cut using miter saw with angle 30 degrees. Assemble all parts using glue and clamp it. I put long bolt M6. Measure the bolt with length 40 mm, then cut it. Put the bolt into star knob. This knob is used for adjustment up down and lock the pocket hole. Cut HMR with width 110 millimeters. Measure and mark HMR, and cut using miter saw. Mark HMR cut before to place the pocket hole jig. Assemble pocket hole jig on the base using glue. And screw it. Place pocket hole into the jig, and lock it. I put toggle push clamp. Mark position of toggle push clamp, and lock using screw. I put HMR and try to push using toggle push clamp. Very tight and can hold the weight until 300 kilograms. Cut HMR with width 25 millimeters. Assemble HMR cut before on the base. Cut HMR with width 31 millimeters. Measure and mark, and cut using miter saw. Use HMR 15 millimeters as a template. Make a slot using straight bit 15 millimeters. Assemble all parts and clamp it. Cut HMR 3 millimeters with width 55 millimeters. This HMR cut is using as a base. Assemble using super glue. Cut HMR 9 millimeters with width 70 millimeters. This HMR is used as a cover the box. I give hinge on the cover for easy open and close. I put chisel from Tekaro to knead the edge. I like this chisel because it very sharp and easy to use. Place hinge on the slot and make sure it fit. Fasten and screw the hinge on the slot made before. Then, I sander the excess screw. I will add neodymium magnet. Use magnet as template to make slot. Then, use epoxy glue to assemble magnet with HMR. Very practice and easy to put and take off the extension wings. I keep all the pocket hole tools into the box, and put the screw into another box. Put the extension wings on the pocket hole base. You can set up this jig whether for thin or thick wood. Now, I try to make pocket hole. Very easy and fast to make pocket hole. The result looks good. I assemble pocket hole using drywall screw. Looks perfect and strong. After finish work, easy for detach and storage, no need big space.